Hey guys, we got a 2025 GMC Sierra 2500 HD. This is the ultimate Denali version. I'm going to show you how to replace the cabin air filter. Go over here to the glove box. Just going to pop this out on this side. Pop that out. Just make sure you pop both. You may have to push down on the side that you already popped out. Okay, now we're just going to disconnect this by pushing down. This whole thing should come down. Right there we got the door to the cabin air filter right here. This piece we're going to push in so that comes out, and then we're going to pull it left, and your cabin air filter is right there. So just remove it and see if it's clean or dirty. I'm going to post one in the description and in the comments. That's about 10 bucks. Save you some money. If you do it at the dealership, I think it's probably like anywhere from $40 to $100. So yeah, if you guys have any questions, let me know, but hopefully this helps and hopefully this saves you guys some money. Thanks for watching.